How to edit your profile on Airbnb. So first open the Airbnb app, then you'll see 5 options on the bottom of your screen. Tap on profile, which is on the bottom right. Here you'll see your name, then just tap on it, then tap on get started to complete your profile. Then here you'll see all the options that you can fill. Simply tap on what you want to fill. Then after you filled the blank spaces, tap on save. You can fill out all the information. Then after tapping on save, tap on done, which is on the bottom of your screen, and this is it. This is how you can edit and update your profile. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.